Hey guys, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing well. If you are new here, then welcome. But let's go ahead and get right into it. So, today I am bringing you guys a lender by the name of Discover. Now, Discover has multiple different credit cards, but we will be speaking about the Discover It cashback credit card. Now, the good thing about this credit card is you could be pre approved with no hard impact to your credit score whatsoever. Also, the application process is very simple and straightforward and only takes a few minutes to see if you are approved or denied. Now, with this credit card, they offer no annual fee, plus, you can earn 5% cash back on everyday purchases at different places each quarter, like Amazon.com, grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, up to the quarterly minimum when you activate, plus earn unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases automatically. Another great thing they have is unlimited cashback match. You can get an unlimited dollar for dollar match on all the cashback you earn at the end of your first year automatically. There is no limit to how much you'll match. With this credit card, they also offer a low intro APR. You can get 0% APR for the first 15 months on purchases. Then after that, it's between 17.24% up to 28.24%. Okay, now you can also see your race rewards, fees, and other cost information down below at this link. Now, I do recommend this credit card if you have a 660 credit score and above, okay? So, another great thing about this credit card is you can redeem your rewards for cash in any amount, redeem your rewards for cash at any time. Your cash back never expires, which I think is always great. You can use your rewards instantly at Amazon.com checkout, or you can also use it for PayPal. Okay, so again, the application process is very simple and straightforward. Now, they have a credit limit as high as $11,000. I have seen some people be approved for $500 and between $11,000. So, this is all based on credit worthiness. Okay, now they also have some additional benefits. They offer online privacy protection, free social security number alerts. You'll be able to get an alert if they find your social security number on any of the thousands of dark websites. They also have FICO credit score for free, 100% US based customer service, accepted where you love to shop nationwide, and you can also tap and pay. Again, if you are going to apply for this credit card, please make sure that you have a 670 credit score and above. Okay? And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure you guys hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you could be notified.